Be welcome. My name is Thiago Moraes and I am an electrical engineering student at São Paulo State University. And I will show you a little bit about my project of create a virtual cycle inside the São Paulo State University. And it's a great honor to be here in this congress to show my project. Brazil is a country of continental dimensions, and by virtue of its energy policies, it has a national interconnected system, having transmission lines linking all the 26 states in its 8,506,000 square kilometers. As consequence of exchange of energy between far power stations to customers, 15% of all energy produced in Brazil is lost in the transmission process, almost the same amount that all the commercial centers of the country consume together. The Brazilian Electricity Regulatory Agency, ANEEL, is starting to encourage distributed generation, trying to set by the transmission system, which has not received considerable investments for years. According to the Brazilian Solar Energy Atlas, the daily installation ranges around 5 kWh per square meter in the country. Unfortunately, this great potential is very little used due to the scarce initiatives on the area in the country. Despite being the ninth largest economy in the world, Brazil has one of the most expensive electric energy on the planet. According to a survey conducted by ANEEL, Brazil still has 1 million homes without electricity due to the lack of investments in generation and transmission. With this situation in mind, we designed and created in 2016 the Ponto Iluminado project with three main goals: reduce the incidence of criminality in a dangerous public place, study and improve the technology in a Brazilian university, and show to society the importance of the renewable sources of energy. We achieved great results with this project. In October of 2016, the project was present at one of the largest human technology conferences in the world, and the project was classified as one of the best in the world in energy category. In addition, the project had great visibility on sites such as IEEE and Eletrobras, and was presented in the country's largest television station. Using the data obtained and learned by the Ponto Iluminado, we create this expansion, the FEG Sustentável project. As you can see, this project consists of the development and implementation of a photovoltaic solar energy generation center with on-grid technology, modernization and redesigning of the campus lighting system, and also includes actions related to the solid waste management and water saving within the university. In a more general scope, the project also focuses the reduction of electric energy expenditures, recognizing and publicizing the potential of solar energy and energy efficiency for the community. For the packing of the components, a resistant structure was designed to withstand all the possible climate events and a possible human intervention. This structure will have, as you can see, all the components of the generation system and some of the panels. This structure was designed to receive people from community to know more about energy efficiency, solar generation, and everything related to the FEG Sustentável project. Considering this average installation per day on, we consider that 16 photovoltaic panels are necessary to generate more than 25,600 volt-amp hourly per day. Such energy generated by the photovoltaic modules will be directed to the campus grid through the sine wave inverter. Before the sine wave inverter, we have a modularized protection system that allows the project to know the voltage and the power of each one of the photovoltaic modules. And this protection system allows us to have more specific information of the production of energy inside the university. This modularized protection system, showing the diagram, also allows us to easy removal or insertion of photovoltaic panels without switch off the whole system for this operation. We decided to start the energy efficiency plan at the faculty lighting system. The current lighting system of campus consists in solid vapor bulbs, which require reactors for its proper function. Due to this, average electric power offset measured was 325 volt amp. Besides the high energy consumption, the current lighting system has a total harmonic distortion greater than 27%. The lamps applied in FEG Sustentável project possess Inmetro certification to attend the Brazilian standard recommendations. All poles were simulated, tested on site, and a survey was performed, showing acceptance of more than 90% of new lighting system. The new lighting system, besides reducing energy consumption by 85% per pole, as you can see in this equipment, also does not emit UV rays, uses recyclable materials, has a higher color rendering index, and generate less light pollution than the previous system. According to the International Energy Agency, Brazil emits 87 grams of CO2 per kilowatt hour produced. Over the estimated useful life of the project, the FEG Sustentável project will reduce the emission of CO2 in 31 tons in the atmosphere. It is equivalent of plant more than 4,000 trees in the 20-year period. The World Health Organization estimates that in 2008, more than 1 million of deaths were caused by lung cancer. The effects of exposure to pollutants and the development of lung cancer are attributed both to the direct action of cancers present in pollution and to the chronic inflammation induced by them, with a higher incidence of upper airways symptoms. So, invest in clean energy sources as solar could directly help to the community health. The implementation of FEG Sustentável brings to UNESP a monthly savings of more than $5,000. So, the project can not only benefit the research and the socio-environmental, but also allow more investments in new technologies and in new actions to reduce the spend with energy and the emissions of CO2. In addition to the other aspects, this initiative called the Ponto Iluminado is indeed to show to society and widely disseminate the benefits of photovoltaic solar energy generation and energy efficiency systems, with the objective of acting directly on the basis of society. The educational actions of this initiative emphasize activities with public and private institutions, disseminating and popularizing subjects related to the rational use of electric energy and the impacts of the means to a sustainable day-to-day life for our population, thus helping in the creation of a society more environmentally friendly. This project aims to study and use all the possible benefits of solar energy production and energy efficiency in the sustainable actions, creating in the long term a model college in Brazil for the dissemination of sustainable actions and projects that can be applied in other institutions. At the moment, we already have 60% of the project completed, and we are struggling to finish it from year to year to move on to implement it in other locations, thus leaving our contribution to a better future. In our website and social medias, you can find more information about this project. And also, I will be glad to answer any email with any doubt about the FEG Sustentável. Thank you.